The default system emails sent from a WordPress site can often look unprofessional. This gives the impression that the site owner hasn't put much time or effort into setting up their website, which can undermine the site's credibility and professionalism. To change the sender name and email address for outgoing WordPress emails, you might think of using plugins. However, plugins can become outdated, and for simple tasks like this, they're not really necessary. Instead, do it yourself by going to Appearance, then Theme File Editor. Make sure you've selected the child theme. Next, click on the functions.php file and add the provided code snippet, which you'll find in the video description. Remember, it's crucial to create a backup before making any changes to your theme. And there you have it, a professional-looking email sent from your website.